Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. So today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing and makeup tutorial. I've tried beauty box subscriptions for like a hot second and then I kind of quit. But recently I've been wanting to try Boxycharm. So I picked up my first Boxycharm. Well, I ordered my first Boxycharm and it came in the mail. So I wanted to share with you guys what was in here. First I have a little card. Then I have some Luxie brushes, which I love Luxie brushes, but this is the Precision Foundation, which I probably would not use this for foundation. This is a tapered highlighting brush. I have this brush and I love it. And this one is a dual fiber powder brush. Really nice. A little deformed from being in this packaging, but we'll get it straightened out. Next, it came with a liquid lipstick in the color Verona. It is from Ofra Cosmetics, so I'm going to put this on my lips. It also came with a eyeliner in the color Charcoal from Jantin Bleu. This is that color. This is it here. Next, it came with some lashes from Battington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk. These are very natural looking lashes, so I'm going to try these on as well. So far, I am liking this box a lot. Next, it came with the Alamar palette. This is Reina del Caribe. You guys, I'm loving it. I'm Caribbean gal style. This looks beautiful. Ooh la la. El Malecon. El Malecon. This color right here. Yo. This color is banging. What? This is La Costa, El Malecon. I don't know. Celia, Coco Taxi, Tropico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito. Varadero. I don't know what that means. But this palette is bomb. I cannot wait to try it out. I cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna do a look right now. And then lastly, it came with the Sol de Janeiro Bum Cream from Brazil. Brazilian Bum Cream, which smells amazing. I know this smells amazing because I used to own it. So I'm gonna start playing with the eyeshadow palettes. I definitely think this month's box was worth it because I just got some bomb stuff, you guys. $21. Alright, so I'm going to start with this little color called Coco Taxi. And I just need a mirror. I'm just going to need a mirror. I'm going to just put this in here. Oh, this one's very close to my complexion. So I'm going to use Tropico instead. Tropico. I forgot how good that Brazilian Bum Cream smells. It smells so good. That Bum Cream. Okay, so blending that out in my crease with a big blending brush. Then I'm gonna hit the other eye. The kids coming downstairs. Sounds crazy. Chloe, what are you doing? Blend that out, girl. Blend it out. Still dipping in them Lolos, girl. I love to exaggerate these types of colors and just bring them all the way out. I love to exaggerate. I'm going to clean this up just a little bit with this brush. Alright. I love this color. It blended out really nicely. Alright, so next I'm going to take the color Cafecito right here and layer that. What do you know? I have a Luxie brush. This is Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. I'm going to use that to blend out Cafecito. I'm just gonna pack it in a little bit first. I'm gonna keep it right in the corner, the outer V area of my eye. And do some little swirly motions to blend that out. Like so. Blend it out. Like that. Let's take it down a little bit. Thing on the other eye. On the other side. Hello from the other side. What is going on up there? Sounds crazy. Blend that out. Ooh. So just kind of blending that out into the outer V area of your eye. You know, like the outer V. With that brush. So this side looks really nice and smoky. I'm gonna make this side a little bit more smoky, I guess, because it didn't get as smoky. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to take the first brush and I'm going to just blend that in just to make everything more seamless and nice and blended. Alright, so now I'm going to focus on my lower lash line. Take the same color, Tropico, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. There's not too much fallout. Actually, there's like no fallout going on here. Okay, okay, Alamar. Alright, so I'm going to take the dark brown color, Cafecito. Put a little bit of that in here. Alright, so next I'm going to take the star of the show. I kind of want to use Celia too, but I'm not. I'm going to use El Malagon. I'm going to use this flat Makeup Geek brush. It's a foiled eyeshadow brush from Makeup Geek. If you have foiled eyeshadows, I love this brush for this purpose. Alright, this color does have some fallout. It's sparkly. Ooh. I'm going to have to fix that. The pigment is unbelievable. I didn't use any Fix Plus and I am shook. I can't believe how pigmented this is. So pigmented. And without any Fix Plus, it's just crazy. The only thing is that there is fallout and you probably wouldn't get any fallout if you use Fix Plus or like, you know, any liquid product. So I'm going to try the other side with some like set-in spray so I can see if I do get fallout. Which, it's always nice to not have to worry about fallout. So, ooh, if you thought it couldn't get better, it just got better. Okay. It's just took the color to another dimension. We are now officially on Mars. I highly recommend using a Fix Plus or some type of set-in spray because this side right here, this side. All right, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, so they can match better, you know. Oh my gosh, it makes it so beautiful. It looks so beautiful like that. All right, I'm gonna just add a little bit more of the deeper color. Well, just to like blend it out better. I actually did not add any color. I just used the brush. So whatever was left on the brush, I'm just taking that in, putting that back into my eye area. So this side has no fallout because I used the set-in spray, and this is a charcoal color. I'm just gonna warm it up on the back of my hand. Alright, so I do wish this pencil was a little bit creamier. It's not as creamy as I would like. It's a little bit harsh for the eye area. I wish it was a little more creamy. So I'm going to do some mascara. I've been loving the Rimmel London Wonderfully Real Mascara lately, so I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to use La Costa, which is the lightest shade up here. Alright, so then for my lips, I'm going to use Verona. I love this color. I am definitely digging this look. I am going to throw on the lashes that it came with. So it came with these lashes here from Badenton Lashes. Badenton, how cute. Alright, so I applied the lashes and this is the entire look using the Boxycharm for June, and I really like it. I think this box was definitely a win. If you guys enjoyed this look, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you are subscribed to Boxycharm so I could keep doing these videos. And that is it. I love you. I'll see you guys in my next video.